Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Najwa. So I do beauty content, lifestyle content, technology content. So if those are the things that you like to watch, be sure to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you get notified when I post up my videos. So today I'm going to do the unboxing for the Spectrum Collection Humpday mystery box. So this is how the box looks like. Does it come in pink? So cute. So a little backstory on Spectrum Collection. Spectrum Collection is actually a brand from the UK. They started out making makeup brushes. So if you did not know, they were the ones who actually popularized the makeup brushes, the mermaid makeup brushes, colorful brushes that comes in a seashell clamshell casings that is so cute. So those were really popular back then when they first started. I always wanted one of those, but I never been able to get one. For me back then it was expensive, so they moved on to produce other collaborations, other designs of makeup brushes that are really nice. The makeup brushes look very good quality. I've always wanted to purchase their brushes, so now they do shipping to Malaysia, so all the more reason to try out their box. Prior to this box, they actually have two other mystery box, which is the Crystal Eyes makeup box, mystery box, and Crystal Face makeup box. I actually got myself the Crystal Face box, but I did not do any unboxing because by the time I got it, it was sold out. So I didn't think that it was appropriate for me to do any videos on that. When I saw this came out on their website on 7th of 7th, so I decided to get it because it was relatively cheap from its original price. So does it come in pink? So I'm guessing this the content of the box is actually something pink related, and this box actually costs around £26.99, I think. I'll put the information here. For this box, they say that you will get 8 items inside. So let's open and see what's in the box. So I was right, as you can see, the box is actually pink theme. So we actually got the Spectrum Collection Mean Girls collaboration brushes. Okay, so the first item that we got is the B01 brush. This is a foundation brush. Let's see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. So it's really cute. She doesn't even it has like Mean Girls quote on the handle. So yeah, so the B01 is actually a foundation brush, so it's like for you to buff your foundation on. So I actually got 2 of these brushes already in the previous mystery box, but I like this kind of brushes, so I don't mind getting another one. So yeah, this is the first brush. So the second brush is actually the A01 powder brush. So this is how it looks like. See, they actually have, like I said, they have like the, I don't know whether you can see it, yeah, the quotes from Mean Girls, the movie. So this one says shut up. So this is a powder brush. It's really soft. Then the next brush is the A10 brush. This is like this would be the fan brush for you to use for highlight. I don't really fancy this kind of brushes. I mean, I don't really fancy this kind of highlighter brush because I usually use a more tapered, smaller brush for highlighting. But yeah, it's good to have this. So again, it has like a word there. So really soft. So next brush is the A05 brush. So this is a blush brush. Let's see how it looks like. So angled blush brush. So you're like really pretty, so that's what it's right. That's what it's written on the brush handle. So okay, so the next brush is B09. It's a double-ended brush. I think this brush actually is a blending brush for eyeshadow. Got this this one is like angled. This angle, and this one is like a normal blending brush. So there's a quote there, full of secrets. So yeah, the color is so cute. It's such a cute pink. I really like it. So the next brush is the A17 brush. This is a brow. This is a brow brush, I think. Yeah, it's for the eyebrows. This is for brows, and but you could also use it for eyeliner. So let's see, it's an angled brow brush. Okay, that's a lot of brush. So the next item is actually this. This is actually the beauty blender. The sponge. So I've never tried their sponges before, so I'm excited to get this one, because you can never have too much sponges, right? Because you have to actually replace these sponges every 3 months, so it's good to have backups. So this one feels quite it's quite soft, but at the same time it's not too soft. So I can't wait to try this. The last item in the box is actually this. It's a set of eye brushes. Wow, I'm really surprised that they actually give the whole entire set. Wow, and look at that color, so nice. So this is actually their 8-piece eye blending set. This set is actually worth 215 ringgit. So imagine you pay, I think the whole box is about 150 minus shipping, but you actually got a 215 ringgit worth of eye blending set. So I think it's really worth it. Okay, so this set actually contains a tall tapered blender, a medium fluffy shader, tulip eye contour, small angled shader, precision crease, short smudge, stubby shader, and fluffy pencil. So these are all their eye blending brush. Wow, look at the color, can you see? So nice. So those are the brushes that is in the mystery box. So let me count how many brushes that they actually give. Is it 8 or more? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So yes, it is 8 items minimum. So I don't know if there's I'm not sure whether other box I'm not sure whether if you were to purchase this box you will get the exact same thing, or there will be more. I'm assuming it's more or less the same as what I got. So technically, if you count these, it's more than 8 brushes, because although this is a set, but there's 8, so there's 8 single brushes. So 8 plus 8, there's actually 16 brushes. So for this box, they only give makeup brushes. For the previous box that they came out with, they actually included 1 makeup item. So for this box, there's no makeup item, there's only brushes and a sponge. So just take note on that. That is what I got for the mystery box. So I think for the price, it's really worth it, because number one, if you have never tried Spectrum Collections brushes, so this is a really nice way. It's a really good way for you to try out, because you pay like a certain amount of money and you get a few types of their brushes to try out. So it's really a good way for you to actually try out a brand. So a lot of brands do this mystery boxes, like Huda Beauty, Jeffree Star. They do these mystery boxes. So usually it contains products that is like from a limited edition collection that they want to clear out. So mostly it's because they want to clear out their stocks. But I find that this is a good way for you to try out their products if you are the type who are willing to wait a bit more to try out certain things. So when they come up with this kind of mystery boxes, it's really good to try. So this mystery box, I got it for 150 ringgit. So I had to pay 30 ringgit of shipping, which I think is quite okay. I mean, it's not that expensive. So basically you pay 180 and you get this entire thing, which is like definitely worth more than 200 ringgit. Like I said, this whole entire set is already 200 ringgit. So imagine you pay 180 and it's already for 180 you got this and yeah, all this. So really worth your money if you buy this sort of mystery boxes. So if you're interested to purchase these brushes, you can actually use my code. This code will actually give you 15% off your first order. So I will link the code in the description section as well, so you can use this code to purchase your first product from Spectrum Collection if you want to buy this box, or you are interested in any of their other products. So be sure to use that code so you will get RM50 off your first purchase. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope that you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.